to fix 100% disk usage in Windows. So if you want to fix 100% disk usage in your Windows, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with search, and under search you need to search for services. Once you search for services, now here you just need to simply click on any service and then simply press S on your keyboard, and then scroll down, and here you need to find SysMain service. You just need to simply right click on it, go with the properties. Under properties, make sure that the startup type is disabled. Once you've disabled, you just need to simply stop the service and then go with apply and OK. Once you've disabled and stopped, then your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't, then what you need to do is just simply go with a service, next service, which is Connected Devices Platform Service. Once you find the service, which is Connected Devices Platform Service, you need to right click on it, go with properties, and go with the same process as disable. Go with startup type, go with disable, stop the service, and go with apply and OK. Once you've done that, you need to restart and your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't, then you just need to simply open up your File Explorer. Once you open up your File Explorer, you just need to simply go with this PC, and here you need to go with Local Disk C. Just right click on it, go with Properties. Under Properties, make sure that you're under the Tools section. Here you will have Optimize and Defragment Drive. You just need to simply go with Optimize and make sure that it is turned off, because scheduled optimization is also a thing which causes 100% disk usage. So if it is turned on, make sure that to turn it off. If you want to turn it off, just go with the turn off, which will be on the right side. And the next thing we need to do is we just need to simply go with the Windows Update. So just close this and search for Windows Update. And here you will have Windows Update settings. You just need to simply click on it and it will automatically take you to the Windows Update. Now if you have any updates, then make sure to install all the latest updates. Sometimes a specific patch from Microsoft causes the issue, so updating the Windows fixes the problem in most cases. Once this is done, you just need to simply restart your computer and your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't, you just need to simply right click on your taskbar, go with the task manager. Once you're under the task manager, now you just need to simply go with the startup apps. Under startup apps, now if you've enabled any startup applications right here, you just need to simply go and disable that application. For example, I'll be choosing BlueStacks services. You just need to simply go with disable and disable that startup service. Once you've disabled, then your problem will be fixed. So I'll be going to the Epic Games launcher and I'll just disable this one also because I don't need it as a startup app. Once you've disabled, then your problem will be fixed. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.